Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a logo for free. So I'm Shafi, you're watching Chef Technique channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to make a free logo. So guys, open your Play Store. So after opening the Play Store, type Canva. So here you can see this first one, Canva. So download. So after downloading, open the Canva app. So guys, and now here you can see there are some categories. So here you can see the second one, logo. So tap on this logo, and after that here you can see there are some logo designs. So if you want, you can select this logo designs, and or if you don't want, then you can just create your own logo. So you can go to blank. So here now let me select any one logo. So guys, so now here you can see this, I'm selecting this logo. So don't think that this is your logo. So you can change that. You can change this logo. So now here you can see, tap something to start editing. So here you can see JB. So I'll tap on JB. So double tap, and after that I'll give my own name ST. And after that here you can see, so again I'll double tap and I'll type Shafi. So here again this is second one, I'll keep Shafi Technique. So I'll keep this at Technique. So now you can also select the size as you want. And so if you want to change this background color, so tap on this background. So background. So tap on this background and you can directly select the background. And so let me choose this color. So like this. So guys, if you want, you can also change the color of this text. So here let me select this black one. So now here you can see there are many fonts. So select which font you like. So here I'm selecting. So let me select one best font. So here I'm selecting this font. So I will do some bigger, and I'll make it correctly. So guys, after making, so if you want to reduce this size, then you can also reduce. So like this you can also reduce, and so you can keep however you want. So I'll keep like this. So guys, this is a simple logo I'm just making. So you can make a professional logo. So this is just a sample. So here let me select one cool font. So here I'm selecting this font. So guys, I selected this font. So now if you want, you can also change it. So tap on this plus option, and here you can see image. So tap on image. So if you want, you can also directly add from gallery, and here you can see search Canva library. So you can also type here. So if you want any type of images. So again here you can see graphic. So in this graphic we can get some type of designs like circle. So like circle, let me choose the color. So like the circles. And you can also see that template. So which type of template you want, template. And after that tap on this share button. So after tapping on save button, here you can see successfully saved. Now here open your gallery. And now after opening the gallery, I'll show you the logo. So guys, this is the logo that I made right now. So here you can see this is totally in HD. So I'll show you the another logo that I made. So not this one, so only this one. So this is the logo that I made. So this is the HD quality. So maybe you can see this maybe you can see this photo is not clear because this is a screen recording, so you can't see this logo clearly. So but really you will get a HD quality. So guys, this is the easiest way to make a free logo. So share this video to everyone so that everyone can make their own logo regarding photography or any other. So that's it for this video. So don't forget to hit the like button for this video, and also share this video to everyone. And if you want more videos regarding, so if you want any more videos, then comment me in the comment section below. So directly I'll make the video. So that's it guys in this video. I hope you like that. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video to all. If you have any doubt, then comment me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Jai Hind.